Hey everyone, so I'm making some okra. I finished making my fish curry. I'm having a lunch meeting today, so I made this fish curry and I'm making okra now. So I just put in 2 tablespoons of oil. I cut up 2 chilies very fine and I put them in here, and 1 teaspoon of cumin, that's gonna go in there. And then I buy the frozen okra because it's easier to keep it. And then I'm just going to wait for that to cook for a few minutes, and then I'll add in the okra and stir fry it 5 to 7 minutes. And then I'll put in my lemon juice and salt. I use for this 1 teaspoon of cumin. I chopped up 1 onion, 2 chilies. And for garlic, you're supposed to use 1 teaspoon of garlic. I used fresh garlic, so I used 2 cloves of garlic. And then I'll put in the 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of salt and stir fry it. The onions will change color. I don't use a lot of oil in my foods. Just put in the salt, and coarse salt. And I will upload my video to my Facebook as well. A lot of jobs are going away, so I'm trying to find alternative things that I can do as well as my speaking, hoping that my spiritual direction will also come together. And then this is the frozen okra. I'm just putting in a 1/4 packet here. And it will defrost. I had it frozen in the freezer. I'm just putting in a little bit of water just to help it. So I don't want it to burn either. This one is not big enough. Still not big enough. Well, anyway, that will have to do. But yeah, it doesn't take me long to put a meal together. The rice I had cooked yesterday, so I can heat that up in the microwave. My fish is done. And then this okra, and that's it. So I try to eat healthy, and I try to make sure that I have frozen things that I can keep and pull out. I'm hoping I'll get a job and go back to work soon, but I like to make sure that I take care of my health, take care of my cooking, cook fresh, and also this is the opportunity for me to make sure that I'm doing leadership development. So I want people to know that leadership is not just about management, and creating a prosperous life is not just about the amount of income you earn. There are millionaires who are very unhappy with their lives and they have all the money in the world. And there are other people like me who don't have much, but we make the most of what we do have. So this is my okra cooking here. And it's good to make videos, leave proof leave a social media proof of where you went, what you did, who you are. And I try to do that. I try to keep, keep some photos, upload my videos. And I'm also learning from other people, because I watched that documentary about how 50% of our jobs are going to be taken away by AI. So I'm also trying to learn new skills, IT skills that will help me to move forward. I'm doing the things that 20-year-olds are doing, so I'm doing pretty well. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that.